In the heart of East Africa, Uganda's lush hills tell a story of power and change. Meet young Amin, a boy with big dreams, herding goats near his village under golden skies. He joined the King's African Rifles, stepping into a new world of discipline and duty. As Uganda earned independence, Amin's star started rising fast among soldiers and leaders. Then came that fateful January morning in 1971, tanks rolled in, and Amin seized control. You'd think a new leader would bring hope, and at first, Amin seemed charming and full of life. But soon shadows grew longer, and paranoia crept in, enemies lurked everywhere in his mind. He cracked down hard. People disappeared. Fear became the new language of Uganda's streets. And then, one of his cruelest acts, expelling Uganda's vibrant Asian community overnight. You won't believe the grand titles he gave himself, from conqueror to king. His ego knew no bounds. But all empires fall. By 1979, Amin's reign was collapsing under the weight of war and resistance. You watch as power without mercy ends in exile, a stark lesson etched into history. Remember, over 300,000 lives lost during Amin's brutal regime, a heavy price for a leader's ambition. Thanks for diving into history with us. What lessons do you take from Amin's story?